I'm here to talk about working with large worksheets, and in here we are going to be taking data from within a workbook on several sheets and from another workbook. So I'm in the second quarter of the year, and they decide they want to know what the revenues were. Or for the quarter. So I go here and add a new worksheet here. I double click inside the tab, second quarter sales, and I'll just move it over to here. And what I need to do here, and I'll just type that in here, I'll just zoom this up so you can see better. And what it is here, if I go into this sheet here, I'm going to go to the bottom here. You can see that we have this number here. And if we go to the other sheets here, I'm going to go into August. You can see that they're different sizes, these worksheets, in the number of rows, 744, 771, whatever. But what it is, it's pretty easy to do. And what you're going to do, you begin a formula by using the equal sign. I go into the July, click inside here, hit the plus sign because you're adding. You look up here, you see it, August plus September. I hit the enter key, don't hit the plus sign again, and it's saying there is an error here. I didn't click in a cell, unintentional error, but I want you to see that. I'm going to say okay. I'm just going to hit the delete. I'm going to hit the plus. I'm going to go into September. I have to choose the cell. Now it's working. You're seeing this crazy number. It's because it's too narrow. I widen it, and then I can format it with a comma. Get rid of the decimals, okay? I have another worksheet here, okay? And what I want to do here, I click inside my Excel here. I am working with worksheet 2. I'm going to go into worksheet 1. I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to add a worksheet here, call it fourth quarter. I'm very big into naming sheets. Again, I like them sequential. And what I'm going to do here, I want to begin the formula. I go to equal sign, click on October. I need to get to that number right away. I click in this cell, hit the end down arrow key, plus end down arrow key, plus December. Hit the enter key. I have selected the cell this time. Again, I'm going to zoom this up so you can see better. And then when I do this, you get that 2E there. Widen it. Go into the format, comma, reduce the decimals. Now this is the great part here. We got this here, but we're going to create a new worksheet here called second half of year. Control N. And then I could do this in different ways here. I could summarize or just take something from another workbook. And to do that, I hit the equal sign here. I'm actually going to say quarter 2, 3, quarter 4. So I could say equal. I had to find that other workbook here. And I'm going to go into here. Click on that cell. Hit the enter key. I kind of missed on that one here. I'm going to go back into this worksheet here. I'm in book 1 here. I hit the asterisk incorrectly. Doing some of these errors, we are all easy to do here. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go into, and I probably named a sheet wrong too. I'm going to go into large worksheet here. That's fourth quarter sales. And what I'll do here, I'll just go into here, hit the enter key. And this was quarter 4. This was quarter 3. And then I hit the equal. And then I have to find the correct worksheet, which is open. Is it this one? Nope. Go over here. This is second quarter. That should have been called third quarter sales. And I will go back into that other worksheet. Call it third quarter. A couple of errors on my part. I apologize. And I can format these numbers here. And then what I could do, I could equal these, or just alt equal here. Adds those up. Or what I could do here, I could do it this way. Equal, go into worksheet 2, plus go into large worksheet here, hit the enter key, and I will just use the format painter here. We've got this in here. What is great, for example, let's say I had to change some sales here. I'm in the fourth quarter one here, and let's say in November there were this was 130,000, this was 28,000, 130,000 I meant to say. You can see the totals changing here. You go into here, it's now changed to 21,115,000. I go back into this one here. Believe it or not, you could see how you've got the number here. As an explanation, when you're doing this here, I went into equal. It is referencing in the beginning of the formula the name of the file, followed by the sheet name, followed by the cell name. You could hard type this in, much easier to click. As you can see, you've got to be really careful when you're going into different cells in different worksheets. Stay organized. Keep the files together in one folder. That way, because if something is deleted, you're going to be in deep doo-doo.